this is Dark Web.
Unfriended Dark Web is a horror thriller film directed by Stephen Susto. It tells the story of a man named Matias who finds a mysterious laptop and starts using it to talk with his friends over a video call. However, things take a terrifying turn when they discover the laptop filled with disturbing files connected to a secret online community on the Dark Web. As the group digs deeper into the files, they unknowingly attract the attention of an underground cyber network that begins to manipulate and hunt them down in real time. The main characters include Matias, the protagonist who finds a laptop, Amaya, his girlfriend, and their friends. The film keeps the tension high as the friends try to escape the digital nightmare that quickly turns real. Unfriended Dark Web highlights several ICT trends, particularly cybersecurity and online communication. Facebook and social media platforms play a role in the film, showing how they are used for messaging, connecting with others, and sharing personal information. Additionally, it features cryptocurrency transaction, which allows for digital payment without a traditional banking system. It also explores the dark web, a hidden part of the internet that requires specialized software like Tor to access. The film portrays multiple internet threats including hacking, where cybercriminals gain unauthorized access to devices and spy on users. Identity theft is another major concern as the stolen laptop contains files of victims whose personal data has been exploited. Doxing, the act of exposing someone's personal information online, making the characters vulnerable to real-world attacks. The film further emphasizes surveillance and privacy breaches, showing how hackers can monitor individuals through their webcams and microphones without their consent. These threats reflect real-life cybercrime dangers that can affect anyone careless with online security. Unfriended Dark Web reminds us to be cautious about what we share online and who we interact with, as personal information can fall easily into the wrong hands. The film also showed the dangers of finding and using unknown devices, as they could be linked to something far more sinister. Lastly, it teaches us to be more aware of the dark side of the internet and to take steps to protect ourselves in the digital world.